got another Urus for you guys. Previous episode, you guys saw us building this. I think it was like 2 episodes ago. One of Hamilton Collection's partners. Really, really cool. Came out really nice. He bought this car sight unseen and had it straight delivered here to RDB. And we did the full 9 yards on this thing. It's got the full 1016 Industries carbon fiber wide body package. And it's pretty much the entire kit, which is hood, front lower and middle spoiler, all the wide body flares, side skirts, the diffuser, trunk spoiler, roof spoiler, all the goodies. And this car is actually that matte bronze color, as you can see. So this is not a wrap, this is actually the factory color. So we had to color match obviously the entire body kit. And then on top of it, we paint protection filmed all of the stuff we painted. So this hood is paint protection film, the flares, all of it, including the body of the car, all paint protection film. We tinted some of the windows for him. We installed catless downpipes for off-road use only, so it's really loud. We did a stage 2 tune on it, transmission tune on it, so there's no transmission light, because he also got these 24-inch, pretty subjective but crazy wheels. He ordered this himself, and we got him the specs for the offset, so we made it aggressive. But as you can see, that's a pretty wild wheel design right there, 24-inch. We lowered the car, and then I'm forgetting one thing. We also changed his rear end. We changed his tow hitch. He had no tow hitch. He wants to tow actually jet skis with this, so we installed a whole tow hitch on the back of his car. And to do that, we also got a carbon fiber diffuser from 1016 that lets that tow hitch pass through it. So really cool build. The color is one of my favorites. A lot of people wrap cars this color, but this is actually a paint job. So yeah, it's off. And I believe Hamilton Collection is possibly doing a wide body Urus with us. We'll see. Let him know.
Too soft, the brake.
Too soft?
Yeah.
Your foot is messed up. Alright, it's wild times here right now. I have this giant truck. This is the biggest truck I've ever seen. I don't even know what it is. An Ollie HD. It's huge. Anyways, it's here for body work. Got this Ferrari 458 right here. Refreshing to see this. Beautiful red Spider. Still looks amazing. I mean, this is pretty old now, and I think it looks incredible. I wouldn't mind doing a pretty cool 458 build, but this customer's here because his carbon diffuser is completely destroyed. I don't know what happened, ran over something, whatever, but we're gonna have to remove that. That's trash, so we're gonna have to install another diffuser.
How you call me? You
He barely walked to the back. He's already sent me 2 sets of
Hey, big, big. Listen, I need the box power for those lights and the fenders.
Everything comes with the kit.
That one no. Yeah, you call me he called me bad word. It's bad. And I say, ese no traía, güey. Doesn't have it. So find it.
It comes with it. You lost it again.
No. Only for the bottom light, yes.
You lose everything.
I have it. No. That one's connected already.
You lose everything.
No. Don't say that. Don't tell me that. The top, I need those. I don't lose because I don't see it.
No.
I'm gonna lose something I don't have in my hands.
Because you forget that it was in your hands.
No, that one no. That one coming without those powers. No, only the bottom, yes. The little bags, wires. No. Yeah, please find it.
He doesn't like Carlos. Carlos? He doesn't like Carlos.
The car is nice. I think yellow and black always goes together. But yeah, the steering wheel is nice. We're gonna do a nice ECU tune on this car. Needs a tune. So yeah, this car has exhaust. This car came from somewhere else. Somebody did the exhaust. They couldn't do the tune. Don't want to be rude, but they didn't know how to do the tune. So he's at the right place now, and we're gonna do the tune. So the check engine light stays off.
Here we have a Huracan.
This is a nice one though. The wrap was good.
We did it.
Matte Army Green. What's the problem? Let's see it.
Yeah, we just have to replace the.
Ooh. As you can see, this bent. This is pretty fragile, double tape, and your foot could get caught on it when you're going in and it could rip it off. So we got a new one, we're gonna put that in. But this is a car we wrapped about a year ago with George jams, everything. And look at this thing, it's perfect. There's no flaws on it. So pretty cool to see that. We also have a Brabus S class Mercedes-Benz right here. This has the full Brabus kit, and this is only here for a flat tire. So yeah, day-to-day work, we do this as well. We ordered a new tire. It's gonna be here tomorrow actually, because it is a hard to get tire. And we just change the tire, and that's back on the road. So that's easy. The Huracan's pretty easy, but we also have a pretty special car here. So here, ladies and gentlemen, is a Nero Nemesis factory matte black Revuelto. And you guys know already, this is our, I think, 4th Revuelto here at the shop. And this belongs to a good friend of mine. We are going to be lowering it because we have perfected actually the stance on this car. We know how to lower them really, really well and flush. And we're gonna do spacers as well. This is the factory wheels, but nowadays these cars are already coming with 21, 22 inch setup. So when you're doing an aftermarket wheel, you're really just changing the design and the offset a little bit. So the wheels are pretty nice, honestly. So we're gonna lower it, do spacers, make it look more aggressive. I mean, it's a Nero Nemesis car, and it looks so mean. And then the interior is actually red. Let me show you that. So that's quite rare. This was actually a special ordered car. So look at that, almost full red. Literally every option you could probably do, he did it. And Nero Nemesis with red is probably one of the all-time greatest aggressive colorways you could do. So pretty cool to see. But yeah, that's that for now on this car. There's a lot more coming for Revueltos, but this Nero Nemesis car might be one of my favorite colors on the Revuelto.
Okay.
What?
Let's talk about it.
Smells like gas over here.
All right. So Javier's working on a couple of things. He's working on the Tesla and the Toyota Cressida all both at the same time. The Toyota is a lot of work, you guys.
It's almost done though.
Toyota's almost done. Yeah, we're getting there. He's doing all this stuff now. We're doing some good mechanical work on it because it needs it. Again, this car's 30 years old, so we finished the paint job not too long ago. It looks good. Now we're doing the final mechanical stuff and put this car together, and that's it. So he's doing a power steering pump now, AC compressor. We need to see what's going on with it. Also, we're doing a little bit of suspension work and stuff like that. So should be good with the Cressida soon. Now we got this guy, the Tesla here. Tesla, you guys know there was a big problem, big accident. It was crazy. So we're finishing it up now. A few more things to go. Good detail wash and hit the road, Jack.